Hello, in front of me I've got Audi SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through entertainment system. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the navigation panel of the entertainment system. As you can see on this panel, we've got 4 buttons: navigation, map, telephone, radio, media. Simply tilt the button to preferred option to enter it. Next, use this knob to navigate through current panel. Then you can use back button to go back, menu button to go to menu, and also in certain menus you can press buttons on the side to enter extended menu. Right here in the center we've got touch panel. We can use to also navigate through menu. Here in the top we've got favorite functions preset menu. You can assign to this button your favorite menus to quickly enter them. Now let's take a look at the screen display. Here we can find car settings, sound settings, radio, media, telephone menu, navigation, map, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone interface, and system settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.